In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the vendor information on your Shopify store. If you're running an e-commerce business and want to maintain a certain level of privacy or simply prefer a cleaner look for your product pages, removing vendor information can be an effective way to achieve this. Let's dive into the process, step by step, and ensure your Shopify store appears exactly how you envision. First, let's begin by accessing your Shopify admin panel. This is your main hub for all things Shopify, so it's essential to get comfortable navigating through it. Once you're in the dashboard, look to your left-hand side, where you'll see a menu. You want to click on the Online Store section. This will lead you to another menu, and from there, select Themes. Here, you'll see an overview of all the themes you've installed on your store. Now, let's focus on the theme you're currently using. There should be a button that says Actions next to your theme. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you need to click on Edit Code. This is where we will make the necessary changes to hide the vendor information. You're now in the code editor. On the left side of this section, there's a sidebar with a list of folders and files. You'll want to locate a specific file named something along the lines of producttemplate.liquid. This file is crucial because it controls how your product pages are displayed. Once you find the file, click on it to open it. With the file open, you'll need to search for the section or line of code that refers to vendor. This might be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the coding language, but take your time to look through it carefully. Often, you'll find it around the code that displays product information like titles, prices, or descriptions. Once you've spotted the part that handles vendor information, the next step is to simply delete or comment out that line of code. If you're unsure about deleting, commenting out is a great option. You can do this by surrounding the line with a comment tag, which ensures the code won't execute but is still there if you ever want to revert back. Always keep in mind that making these changes may affect other elements of your theme, so proceed cautiously. After you've edited the code, hit the Save button to apply your changes. It's important to refresh your store or view your product pages on the front end to ensure that the vendor information is indeed hidden and that everything else is displaying correctly. In conclusion, removing vendor information from your Shopify store is a straightforward process if you follow these steps closely. By editing your theme's code, you can present a more polished and professional storefront to your customers. I hope this guided tutorial has been helpful in achieving your desired store appearance.